Good morning, good morning, good morning. I just wanted to come and say good morning to you and let you see how much easier it is for me to get ready with these sister locks after they've been cut. Now it's always been very easy, but I want you to see this. I'm going to take off my bonnet, shake, and you guys, I am ready to go. Ready to go. Enjoy your day. So we're going to get your braid and banded so Jackie can do your shampoo. So yeah, this is what I look like as I sit and wait and my client is getting shampooed. I hope she's enjoying her experience. And we're trying to take extra care of her. If you notice, I did a braiding and banding so that she could be shampooed properly. We just want to treat her with the respect and care that she deserves. She's a wonderful young lady, and I pray that she continues to heal so that she can continue on the journey that God has for her. And I'll see you in the next clip. Keep watching. Can't nobody tell you nothing.
Nothing, girl. It's so nice and clean. She don't wash her hair real good.